Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 and we are here to present our discussion about communication strategies in short film. But before we start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ananda Humaira.
My name is
My
Alsabila
name is,
Bustami.
my name is Saddam Mengarang.
My name is Muhammad Hidayat.
And my name is Reni Samaharani Faud.
And my name is Opia Talita.
So the first material is about the definition of communication strategies, and I will explain it to you. So the term communication strategies refers to both linguistic and non-linguistic strategies that a speaker calls upon compensate insufficiency in his or her knowledge while communicating. And the definition from Dernier 1995 has defined communication strategies as a systematic technique employed by the speaker to express his or her meaning when faced with someone difficulty. So the second material is about the methods or major strategies communication that will be explained by Saddam.
Paraphrasing strategies used by the speaker when she faces some difficulties to express himself or herself with some specific structures or vocabulary as he lacks such linguistic knowledge. Then he paraphrases the meaning with the word and structures that he has. Examples for these strategies are approximation, word coinage, circumlocution, etc. The second is avoidance strategies. Refer to speakers' attempts to avoid talking about concepts she or he doesn't know about their structures in the target language. The speaker here avoids talking about specific concept or abandons his message as he realizes that he is unable to manage communication due to his language insufficiency. Examples of these strategies are topic avoidance and message abandonment.
Okay, thank you, Saddam. The next speaker is Alsabila Bustami.
Okay, I want to explain about switching into native language. When the two speakers share the same mother tongue, they usually depend on switching into mother tongue so much when they find it difficult to express themselves is in the target language. And seeking help or asking for clarification, a strategy by which a speaker seeks help from the listener who interacts with her. The speakers feel that he is unable to pass the message due to his limited knowledge. Then he will ask the listener about specific meaning he lacks so that he can continue his interaction and pass his message. Thank you.
Thank you, Zal. And then the next speaker will be Muhammad Hidayat.
Okay, thank you. I will read our discussion. The next one is nonverbal strategies. It is the one of the most commonly used communication strategies by the speaker. We find that most speakers, when they face some difficulties to get the meaning across, they use nonverbal signals to get the message across. There are various types of these nonverbal strategies, such as facial expressions, body language, acting using pictures, etc. These nonverbal signals play an effective role in getting meanings across while communicating orally. And the last one is time fillers. It is the one of the communication strategies that help the speaker to gain time, restore knowledge, and keep the communication channel ongoing. There are various time fillers that speakers use to fill gaps in communication, such as, well, I mean, what I mean, actually, etc. And thank you.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Hidayat. And then we will continue to the next material, which is example of communicating strategy in short film that will be explained by Ovia Talita.
Okay, so I want to explain about the communication strategies. This strategy can help a speaker to remember important topics, give the audience something to look at, and generally help convey the message being presented. Example, when we watching movie, we need to understand what the actors are doing and saying by watching the way they are communicate. Therefore, communication is very important when the actors want to act so the audience can get the meaning of the movie itself. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ovia Talita. And then we will go to our last material, which is the conclusion that will be explained by Rayani Safa.
So I'm going to explain the conclusion. So communication strategies is the strategy of creating effective communication in order to reduce the problems of communication. So the conclusion is every word has a meaning by itself, but sometimes there is other word that called slang. We have to explain it in detail for everyone to understand what is the meaning of the slang itself because we avoid misunderstanding in communication. For example, in short movie or film, there are many languages or slangs that is hard to understand, such as spill the tea means give us the hot gossip. But when we communicate with slang, we also can use our body language for a better understanding because sometimes people pronunciation can be hard to hear, so we could use our body language. Thank you.
Okay, I think that's all about communication strategies in short film. And that's all from group 3. Thank you.
Thank you. Yay, yippee.